Hi guys, and welcome back to Crystal's Catering, the show where we make quick and simple yet delicious dishes. On today's show we'll be making a prawn fried rice. If you haven't done so already, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Please share with family members and friends, and also add me on my personal Instagram account, which is Christashan, and also add me on my catering Instagram account, which is Crystal's Catering. I'll be very appreciative of that. But for now, let's get cooking. Here's the ingredients that we need for our prawn fried rice. So we have our jumbo king prawns, a cup of frozen vegetables, a chilli, spring onions, 2 eggs, some olive oil, dark soy sauce, and some fish sauce. And then I'm just going to lightly season the prawns in garlic powder, chili, and all-purpose. Definitely a downgrade from my usual seasonings, but you don't need much when you're making prawn fried rice. Oh, and also the rice, of course, which I've just had in the fridge to cool down, as it's best to use cold rice than freshly cooked rice because it would just get mushy and stick together. There's a little white thing in here that I always take out. You guys don't have to, but I know my mum's watching and she wants me to take out too. We call it the eye. But yeah, it always comes out when I'm cooking with eggs. So I've just washed the prawns in lemon juice and rinsed them off. I'm now just going to season them very lightly with my seasoning. So so now we have all the ingredients ready for the pan, so let's just go for it. We have our frozen veg there. I added in another egg because I don't think 2 was enough, so we've got 3 eggs there, and then our chili and spring onions. And now the ingredients are ready to be added to the frying pan, so I'm just going to add some oil to that now. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding some olive oil to the pan. If you do have sesame oil at home, I would do a 50-50 ratio with another oil, with sesame oil to the other oil that you have. But I don't actually have sesame oil today, so I'm just going to be using olive oil. Okay, so they've been cooking now for about 2 minutes, so I'm just going to push this to the side. And I'm now going to add in my cup of frozen veg. Just get that to cook down nicely as well for about a minute. I'm now going to add in the egg. So yeah, I removed the egg, the veg, and the spring onions and chilies. And I'm just making the prawns cook down on their own. So now that the prawns are cooked a bit more, it's cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to add the rest of the veg and the egg back into the pan. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm now going to add the rice, which has been chilling for some time now. And as I'm stirring, I'm going to add in some soy sauce and some fish sauce. So this is the soy sauce that's going in now. And then we only really want a few drops of the fish sauce. Smell the soy sauce, the spring onions, it just smells amazing. Here is my prawn fried rice. I'm just going to drizzle over some more soy sauce, a few drops of that. Tasting time. So guys, you would have just seen my presentation plate, which I try and make the plate look all pretty and nice, but my mum actually just came downstairs, took that plate to eat for herself, said it tasted amazing. So I've just got this small, really small bowl before I'm gonna eat my dinner a little later on. So yeah, this is my bowl where I'll be tasting the prawn fried rice. Let me try some of the prawn. Look at that prawn. Look at that prawn. I love prawns so much. Until next time guys, see ya.